Here's a carrier for 8CKC right here. It's got a reciprocating compressor. That data sheet is not even illegible. It has not been running, unfortunately. I'll go see if there's any others over here. Another CKC that's running over there. I can't get to it because of all this, but let's go find some more. And another CKC right here. Reciprocating compressor. Again, that's not illegible. Not been running. But here's some packaged units over here. Okay, is there any cameras up over here? That one over there is running. I think this is some kind of refrigerating component. But let's go find some more. And here's another one that still has the carrier logo on the fender. Scared the crap out of me. It is from 2003. It is I can't tell. Already getting cold.